Would you like to learn some simple questions you can ask to break the ice in Spanish? Hi, I'm Mafalda from BaseLang. Today, let's practice some basic Spanish icebreakers together. And if you want to learn how to confidently speak Spanish, then why not schedule your first BaseLang class today? At baselang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native speaking teachers, all via Zoom. All right, I want you to practice along with me today, even though it's a video. I'm going to say each phrase in Spanish, then its English meaning, then I'll say it again in Spanish. Say it out loud with me. It's really by speaking that you'll truly learn them. Okay, let's get started with a basic one that you probably already know. It's the most common way to start a conversation in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Now say it out loud with me. ¿Cómo estás? Next, ¿qué te trajo aquí? What brings you here? Now your turn. ¿Qué te trajo aquí? Okay, you've got the hang of it, right? For the rest, I'll just say them and you repeat along when I repeat it. ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? What do you do in your free time? ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? ¿Cómo es un día típico para ti? What's a typical day like for you? ¿Cómo es un día típico para ti? ¿Dónde te gustaría viajar? Where would you like to travel? ¿Dónde te gustaría viajar? ¿Has viajado recientemente? Have you traveled recently? ¿Has viajado recientemente? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? What's your favorite food? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? What type of music do you like? ¿Qué tipo de música te gusta? ¿Has visto alguna película buena últimamente? Have you seen any good movies lately? ¿Has visto alguna película buena últimamente? ¿Cuál es tu libro favorito? What is your favorite book? ¿Cuál es tu libro favorito? Did you get a few icebreakers that you think you might be able to use sometime? We'll stop with those 10 for today, but if you want more, you can click on the link to our blog post with a bunch of Spanish small talk phrases. And if you really want to remember them when you need them, try listening to the video again before a social event so you can say them out loud again. And remember, if you want to practice these in a real conversation, but you're not sure who to practice with, make sure to check out baselang.com. With unlimited one-on-one lessons, it's like immersion from your living room. What better way to practice your Spanish? Try your first week for only $1. If you enjoyed today's Spanish icebreakers, don't forget to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a lesson. Thanks for watching. Hasta la próxima.